Hello everyone friends, our travel route today is Kartepe Ski Resort. We wish you a good time. Before the video you can subscribe our YouTube channel. Kartepe, which is a favorite getaway spot especially for Istanbulites during the winter season, has truly beautiful views that will make postcards jealous. Although its altitude is lower than other ski resorts, its altitude is still 1,600 meters. If you are wondering how to go to Kartepe Ski Resort, and when you should go, Kartepe Road is not always cleared of snow. If it is not cleared, winter tires or chains are definitely needed. Anyway, the gendarmerie carries out the checks before going to the snow hill. Even though the roads are clean on weekends, it takes a long time to reach the top due to traffic, so the first answer to the question of when to go should definitely be on weekdays. Because Kartepe takes about 2 hours from Istanbul. The reason is that you don't really have time to ski on the weekend because of waiting in line. If you want to see snow while you're here, it's best to come between the beginning of January and mid-March. If we talk about the distance to the provinces, the distance between Kocaeli and Kartepe is approximately 30 minutes by car. The distance between Sakarya and Kartepe is approximately 1 hour. The distance between Bursa Kartepe is 2 hours and 15 minutes. And the distance between Istanbul and Kartepe is approximately 2 hours. Of course, if you are on the European side of Istanbul, it takes 2.5 hours. If you are in Malta, Kartal, you can come there in 1.5 hours. It is extremely easy to reach Kartepe Ski Center by minibus or bus. You can reach the region from Izmit, the city center, by public buses numbered 213 or 218. You can also reach Kartepe with regular private bus services from Izmit bus terminal to the region. Another important alternative for transportation to Kartepe Ski Center by minibus and bus is intercity tours. There are flights directly to Kartepe by various tour companies. These tours can be both accommodation and day trips. If we have arrived at Kartepe Ski Resort, let's now look at our accommodation options. When you arrive, you are greeted by a huge hotel, Green Park Kartepe Resort Hotel. The hotel serves half-board, meaning breakfast and dinner are included in the price. An afternoon tea is also served by the fireplace at 5 in the evening. While the hotel's accommodation prices start from 300 TL for 2 people for 1 night on weekdays in the 2023 season, the price may vary on weekends. The best feature of the hotel is that the Skipass card is free during your stay at the hotel. Skipass is the name given to the boarding pass for the vehicles that allow you to reach all the tracks in the ski resort. When you arrive at the hotel, you pay only 50 TL for both entrance and parking fees in the 2023 season to enter the parking lot for the day. The tracks start right below the hotel's main building. If you think that the Green Park Kartepe Hotel prices are high, there are apartment-type houses close to the tracks, where you can stay for 5 people. If you do not want to ski and just want to be in touch with nature, you can stay in various hotels and hostels between the ski resort and the Sukai at affordable prices. Food and drink prices in the ski resort have also increased significantly. If you get hungry while skiing, there is a restaurant and cafe called Katakanagi at the middle point where all the slopes descend. It is ideal for eating sausage bread or meatball bread for lunch. Additionally, there are delicacies that will satisfy your stomach at the Deer Cafe on Gaikli Hill. On paper, there appear to be 17 tracks, from the easiest to the most difficult, but there are 4 main tracks in Kartepe Ski Resort. Hotel Track, Gaikalani, Kartepe and Karliktepe. While Karliktepe can be reached by Teleski, the others can be reached by chairlift. Since these runways have more than one descent route, more runways are mentioned in the hotel's advertisements. But you only use 4 tracks. The easiest tracks are located at the hotel. They are short and effortless, ideal for new learners, but the longest chairlift queues are at the hotel tracks. In my opinion, until you learn it well, you should constantly enter the cycle of going on the chairlift, skiing, going back on again, because if you go to other slopes before you have fully learned it, you may cause trouble for both yourself and other skiers. Deer area is considered an easy track, but we can consider it as easy medium, because it is not that easy for someone who does not know how to ski to go to deer area and slide first. Kartepe is the hill with the steepest and most difficult tracks. It is not suitable for those who do not know how to ski well. There are 2 difficult tracks here. The queue for the chairlift is not long, and it is easy to get out. There is a cafe on the hill. Kartepe is the second difficult track after Kartepe. Since you go up by Teleski, there is usually no queue. There are many people who fall halfway after getting on the chairlift, so it is better to hold on tight and be balanced. Of course, you may not know how to ski. For those wondering about the price of ski lessons, when we look at the private lesson fees for December 2023. Private lessons for 1 person, 400 to 600 TL, group lessons for 2 people, 300 TL to 500 TL, but a group lesson for 5 people is as low as 250 TL. That's why we suggest you try to arrange group lessons. Skipass opens at 9 in the morning. Skipass fee is 400 TL, 350 TL is charged for half day. Half day starts at 12 o'clock. Also, this is important, there is a 100 TL fee for Skipass card deposit. They also ask for cash, so make sure you have cash with you. Don't worry if you don't have any materials. There are places where you can buy quality winter materials. It would be appropriate to be hasty in renting materials, especially on weekends due to the crowds. Apart from protective equipment and clothing, you can also rent a sled. Sleds are 100 TL, entrance fee is 60 TL if you bring your own sled. Also, sunglasses are very important while skiing because the sun on the one hand and the whiteness of the snow on the other make our eyes very tired. You may get a headache in the evening because we squint. Kartepe Ski Center ski equipment rental prices are generally as follows. Ski and snowboard set 370 TL. Snowboard sets 480 TL. Ski clothing. Trousers coat 180 TL. Helmet 120 TL. Glasses 80 TL. If you ask what we can do besides skiing, let's take a quick look at that. There are ATV tours starting from Masukai, as well as tours organized by the Green Park Hotel. Of course, the hotel's prices are a bit high. ATV safari costs 1000 TL for half an hour. If you go during the snowy season, you can wander around the ski resort by renting a snowmobile. Another feature that puts Kartepe one step ahead of other ski resorts is, it is suitable for tourism in all 4 seasons. So with each new season, one of the Kartepe activities ends and another begins. For example, you can experience zip line. There is no zip line during the ski season, but if you go in the summer you will see it in front of the hotel. It is not too short, you can try it. If you come in winter, we recommend you walk in the snow, or if you come in summer or spring, we recommend you walk in the plateaus. You can find a suitable place on the road leading to Kartepe and have a picnic overlooking the view of Sapanka Lake and get some fresh air. Yes, friends. We have tried to convey this up-to-date information for you accurately, nothing more or less. I hope you will have a good ski holiday. If you would like to thank us, your comments are important to us, and if you are curious about another ski resort, we would appreciate it if you write in the comments section. Goodbye, see you in the next video.